Picture a building site. Imagine the usual chaos. The clatter of metal, the constant hum of machinery, the shouts of workers echoing across the lot. Usually it's all noise, saws, drills, generators. The soundtrack of modern construction is relentless, a symphony of speed and efficiency. But here, in Amish country, it's different. The air is still, the landscape peaceful, and the worksite feels almost sacred. Instead, you hear the steady rasp of a handsaw, the thud of a mallet, and quiet voices working in harmony. The sounds are gentle, almost meditative, blending into the rhythm of the countryside. This is the sound of an Amish home being built, a tradition that predates electricity. Every movement is purposeful, every gesture rooted in generations of experience. Here, time isn't the enemy, it's a partner. The pace is unhurried, allowing for care and attention to detail that's rare elsewhere. These builders aren't racing the clock, they're practicing a craft, building with hands, minds, and tools your great-grandfather would know. Each tool is an extension of the craftsman, not a replacement for skill. There's no shouting foreman, just a quiet understanding and shared knowledge. Communication happens through glances, gestures, and years of working side by side. Each man knows his role, every task is performed with focus, and every contribution is valued. The young learn by watching and doing, absorbing wisdom from elders. Lessons are passed down not in classrooms but in the field, through patient demonstration and repetition. This is more than construction. It's a living tradition, passed down through generations. Each project is a bridge between past and future, connecting families and communities. Progress here isn't about plugging in a tool, it's about skill, patience, and precision. The work is slow, but the results are lasting. Every cut is deliberate, every joint measured by experience. The wood is shaped with respect, not forced into place. In a world obsessed with speed, the Amish way is a radical act, choosing to do things slowly, together, and right. It's a conscious decision to value quality over quantity. The result isn't just a house, it's a masterpiece of cooperation. Every wall, every beam, tells a story of teamwork and trust. It's not about brute force, but about knowing the wood, respecting its grain, and working with intention. The material itself is honored, not just used. The process is almost silent, but the results speak volumes. The quiet is filled with meaning, and the finished work radiates a sense of peace. There's a sense of purpose in every movement, a respect for the craft and for each other. The atmosphere is one of mutual support and shared pride. The worksite feels timeless, as if you've stepped into another era. Here, the past is alive in every action, and the future is built on tradition. Here, building is about more than shelter, it's about community and tradition. Every project is a celebration of togetherness, a ritual that strengthens bonds. The finished home stands as a testament to what can be achieved without shortcuts. It's a symbol of patience, perseverance, and pride in one's work. It's a reminder that some things are worth doing the hard way. The effort invested is visible in every detail, every corner, every joint. In Amish country, the sound of silence is the sound of skill. It's the quiet confidence of people who know their craft and trust their community. And in that quiet, something extraordinary is built. The silence is not emptiness, but the space where true craftsmanship thrives. This is where craftsmanship and community truly meet, and where the sound of silence becomes the voice of tradition. Before any ground is broken, the Amish lay a foundation you can't see: faith and family. It's a quiet strength, passed down through generations, that shapes every decision and every dream. Their journey begins not with blueprints, but with shared beliefs and a deep sense of belonging. For them, a home is the heart of community and faith, not just a shelter. It's a place where values are lived out daily, where every meal and every moment is shared with purpose. Building a new home is a communal decision, blessed with prayers and shared purpose. The entire community gathers, offering support, wisdom, and encouragement before a single tool is lifted. The family isn't just a client, they're part of the crew, working alongside neighbors and relatives. Every hand contributes, every effort is valued, and every task is done together. This isn't a business transaction, it's a personal journey. Each nail and beam carries the weight of memories yet to be made, and the hope of a future built on trust. The home is built to last for generations, not to impress or resell. It's a legacy, a testament to enduring values and the strength of family ties. In our world, we hire contractors and sign papers. The Amish build with connection, with every member playing a role, no matter how small. Every corner reflects their values: simplicity, humility, and hard work. The beauty lies in the honesty of their labor and the care in every detail. There's no ornate design, just honest craftsmanship. Each board and beam is chosen with intention, built to serve, not to show. The building itself is an act of devotion, a physical expression of faith and community. Every structure is a living symbol of their shared beliefs. An Amish house is more than wood and stone. It's a symbol of a community's soul. It stands as a gathering place, a sanctuary, and a promise kept. Its true foundation is the strength of their bonds, not concrete. The ties that hold it together are invisible but unbreakable. Neighbors help neighbors, guided by faith and a promise of support. No one is left behind and every need is met with open hands. The home stands as a place of stability in a changing world. It's a safe haven, a place where children grow and traditions endure. Here, substance matters more than style, and permanence outlasts trends. What's built here is meant to last, to shelter, and to nurture. That's a foundation no money can buy, a foundation rooted in faith, family, and the enduring spirit of community. Ask an Amish builder for blueprints, and you'll get a knowing smile. They don't rely on paper plans or technical drawings. Their blueprints live in memory, passed down through generations, woven into family stories and daily life. Young builders learn by doing, starting as soon as they can carry wood, absorbing skills through hands-on experience. They watch, measure by eye, and absorb practical wisdom on the job, learning from elders and each other. Designs are traditional, shaped by family needs, the land itself, and the lessons of past generations. There's no manual, just experience, conversation, and a deep trust in shared knowledge. They walk the site, visualize the layout, and adapt as they build, letting the land guide their hands. Adjustments are made on the fly, ensuring each home fits its place perfectly, with flexibility at every step. This method allows for customization, creativity, and the use of common sense in every decision. Every house is familiar yet unique, tailored to its family, its landscape, and the community's values. It's a living library of knowledge, built into every beam, every joint, and every carefully chosen board. The result? Homes that are both practical and deeply personal, reflecting the spirit of those who built them. Step into an Amish toolbox and you step back in time. No power cords, no batteries, just steel and wood, powered by muscle and skill. Crosscut saws, hand planes, brace and bit drills, each tool demands patience and precision. Chisels and mallets shape joints with surgical accuracy. These tools don't just do the work, they require the craftsman's full attention. Mistakes aren't easily fixed, so every move matters. Using hand tools creates a direct connection with the wood. The process is intimate, honest, and rewarding. Tools are often passed down, carrying stories and skill through generations. In a disposable world, these tools and the philosophy behind them endure. They represent a commitment to quality, not convenience. Nothing captures Amish spirit like a barn raising. At dawn, there's an empty foundation. By dusk, a frame stands tall. No cranes, no paid crews, just neighbors working side by side. The day starts with prayer, then organized teamwork takes over. Men lift massive frames, women prepare feasts to fuel the workers, children help and learn, witnessing community in action. Every hand has a role, every effort matters. It's more than construction, it's a social and spiritual event. Barn raisings reaffirm the bonds of mutual aid. When one family needs help, the community responds. No payment, just promise. The expectation, help others when it's their turn. It's a system that builds both structures and a resilient society. The story of an Amish home starts in the forest. They harvest trees themselves, choosing only what's needed. Selective logging keeps the forest healthy for future generations. Trees are felled with hand saws, hauled by horses, no heavy machinery. The process is quiet, respectful, and sustainable. Logs go to local sawmills, where every cut is made with care. Nothing is wasted, every part of the tree is used. When wood becomes part of a house, it carries its story. Builders know where each beam came from, sometimes recalling the day it was harvested. A home is literally born from the land it stands on. This connection gives the house a unique soul. It's a relationship with the land you can see in every board. Look closely at an Amish frame. No metal plates, no endless nails. Instead, you'll see wood joined to wood using mortise and tenon joints. This ancient technique requires precision and patience. The fit must be perfect. Too loose, it's weak. Too tight, the wood splits. Joints are secured with hand-carved wooden pegs, not metal fasteners. As the wood ages, these joints grow even stronger. It's labor-intensive, demanding real skill, but the result is a frame that can last centuries. The structure flexes with the seasons, built for the long haul. It's a rejection of shortcuts in favor of lasting strength. The integrity of the whole depends on every careful connection. Amish homes are designed to work with nature, not against it. Without modern heating or cooling, they rely on smart design. Houses are placed to catch winter sun and block summer heat. Large south-facing windows warm the home in winter. Roof overhangs provide shade in summer. Deciduous trees offer shade in summer and let sunlight in during winter. Thick walls and natural materials provide insulation and thermal mass. Roofs are vented to release summer heat. Every element, from window placement to tree choice, works together for comfort and efficiency. It's a holistic, time-tested approach, no switches required.